Okay, this is a Hunter, I guess it's a mini industrial ceiling fan, and I'm not quite sure that's what it is though, but that's what my guess is. And anyway, this is installed in the TV room of my brother's new house out here in Tennessee. We've been wanting to come out for a long time now, and we finally gotten to see it in person. He built a new house for him and my nieces and nephews, and so anyway, he's only got 2 fans in it though, so I'm gonna have do a video of this one, and then there's one other one in one of the downstairs bedrooms, and that's it. He just didn't go too crazy on the fans. So anyway, there's still a couple of them though, and I'm gonna show them. So anyway, this is the one in his TV room upstairs. So anyway, go ahead and show. This is the control for it here. Looks like that's high, that's medium, and that's low. Okay, we're gonna start with low. I'm guessing this is like a mini industrial, Hunter Industrial. That's my guess. I remember seeing these on display at Menards. So, yeah. You can kind of see the Hunter logo on that side. You can kind of barely see the reflection of the H. So, yeah, he's just like his other TV room at, or movie room at his house in Missouri. He had a Hunter fan in there with no light kit, and his new one in his house in Tennessee's got a Hunter fan with no light kit. It's pretty funny. And it's kind of the same color as the low profile 4 was. So, you know. Yeah, it looks like a pretty fast low speed. So, I guess it's kind of a smaller fan though. Maybe that's why. Okay. Now here's medium. Blows a good breeze already. It's not even on high yet. That reflection, it's kind of... Get all different angles of it here. Got a slight wobble to it. It was a little bit more on low though. It wobbled a little more. Okay, and here's high. Looks weird when it's on high. Pretty much exactly how it looks on the camera is how it looks in person. Yeah, it's got a bit of a wobble to it though. Okay, that's high, and I'll go ahead and that's off. All right, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.